Chief Executive CY Leung continued his official visit to Europe in Brussels. At a breakfast meeting, he told business leaders attending the European Business Summit that Hong Kong is Europe's best connector to the mainland of China and highlighted Hong Kong's strengths as the leading center for offshore renminbi business.
We have accumulated the largest pool of renminbi liquidity outside the mainland of China, amounting to more than 1 trillion renminbi in deposits and certificates of deposits. Banks in Hong Kong handle about 70% of the total global offshore renminbi deposits and payment transactions. The internationalization of the renminbi is a dominant trend in global finance, and Hong Kong is the most effective partner to give European firms a competitive edge.
Mr. Leung met with European Commission President José Manuel Barroso and European Council President Herman Van Rompuy and discussed ways to strengthen ties between Hong Kong and the European Union. Speaking at a luncheon with representatives of the Belgian Hong Kong Society and other business leaders, Mr. Leung highlighted Hong Kong's role as a global financial center in the Asian time zone.
Hong Kong's versatility as a city in China, but outside the mainland, is one of the great strengths of our city. This makes Hong Kong a familiar and highly efficient location for international entrepreneurs and investors to plug into the business networks in mainland China, to reach Chinese investors and to access the vast mainland Chinese markets.
Mr. Leung called on Belgian King Philippe and also met with Belgium's Deputy Prime Minister Didier Reynders.